This might just be the best advice that I've ever heard for anyone starting out in woodworking. We've all been there. You get excited about a project, grab your tools, and then realize you have no clue where to start. No plans, no measurements, nothing. It's frustrating, but here's the fix. Using detailed woodworking plans. They're like having a GPS for your project, guiding you step by step so you don't waste time or materials. Imagine knowing exactly what cuts to make, how pieces fit together, and the tools you'll need, all before you even start. You'll feel like a pro. Want in? Hit the link in my bio and grab your plans today.